Hello to all my viewers. Today our guest is going to be my new dog Bear. He's officially 8 weeks old today and I've had him for about a week and a half. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of his new harness that I just bought. Oh, he's tired. Of his new harness that I just bought for him. So here it is. The brand is Gooby. That's for smaller dogs specifically. I found this vest at Marshall's. It was $5.99. I'm sure that you can find it at Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx, any of those different type of stores, and also the Gooby website. It's a little bit more expensive on the website, which is why I bought it at the discounted prices store. So first and foremost, I'm going to put it on him, see how it fits, and then review it from there. So it looks pretty easy. He's not hating it too much. A simple put through the head, and then you click it, and now it's on. The little click is on the back. He's gonna be my little demonstrator today. You clip it right here, as you can see, right there. Yeah, there's a little adjuster too. Let's say if he gets a little bit bigger, I can always adjust it, so that's nice. Also, this is where you put the leash so that, you know, obviously that I can walk him outside. I do really like the vest. I'll take it off him since we're not going outside anytime soon. I do like the vest because, or the harness, I'm sorry. I do like the harness because it's not a thing that you can really be tugging on the dog. One thing about collars is that it's around his neck, so it really is going to be tugging at his throat. This, on the other hand, is on his body. As you can see, this is where his back is, and you clip the leash part right here, as you can see. Yep, right there. And so it really isn't hurting him as much as a collar would. So again, with the price and with the size that he is, he's going to be a very small dog for a while. It fits perfectly, and as he gets bigger and as he continues to get just bigger, I can adjust the size, which I really like. And it was only $5.99. I believe on the website it was around $11.99, so I did save about 50%, so that was nice. I would give it about 4.5 stars because the material isn't like amazing, but it's gonna get the job done for the amount of time that I want him to have this and the amount of time that he'll be staying this size. So thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Gooby. If you ever would like one, go to Marshall's or your local Ross. Thanks.